guys, welcome back to another video. Today I am doing my first ever unboxing video on a Lego Minecraft set. If you want to see some more unboxing videos, don't forget to like and subscribe, and don't forget to turn the notifications on so you don't ever miss any of your favourite videos ever again. So this is our Minecraft Lego set. Let's see what it's called. It is called the Nether and The End Portal Journey, and it comes with a baby hoglin, a guy called a cool herd, and an Enderman. And I just went to the shop to go buy this, so this better be worth it. And for the money, this was £15.45, I think. So let's see if it's worth it. Okay, so let's just start opening. Yes, I will build this. Well, you're here. And it also looks like the Ender Portal moves, as you could see right there. And the Nether Portal moves, and the Ender Portal, which is kind of weird. Anyway, let's just keep on unboxing. And, okay. I never open these boxes correctly. There we go. Oh, my first box I ever opened correctly. Okay, looks like we got a couple big bags. It looks like we got 4 bags, and let's open number 1. Okay. Bag number 1. Oh yeah, I need the instructions. Let the box go. Oh, it's on the floor. Oh, the instructions are right here. Silly me. Okay, it looks like we got 3 and 4 and 1 and 2. Let's do 1 and 2 first, which is the end. Oh. Okay. Got all these pieces. Now I'm just gonna open up the instructions. Let's go. Okay, so first we're going to build our Minecraft character. It's simple. I've built many characters, and yeah, they're really good. No, wrong head. Hold up. There we go. Well, it looks like we got these really cool clear pieces, if you can see, which I think you can. Where's his head? Oh, he's there. I can't really see his head because when it's flipped down, I think it's just a normal brick. But anyway, we just connect that together like that. He looks pretty cool in person. He has purple gloves, purple trousers, or if you're in American, pants. And then you got this vest and cool sunglasses. He reminds me of Garrett the Garbage Man from the Minecraft movie. Anyway, and he also comes with the potion. A potion which, if you don't know how to make these potions, you need a minifigure head, a clear bit of this, snap it on like that, and then you just need a brown stud and clip it on like that. Then you got your own potion. I think this is a fire resistance one, but let's just put this guy in the hand. And I like this character. He's just very chill, and I would say this is a good character to add to my collection. So let's just. Oh yeah, my creeper got destroyed. So there's a little bit too functions. So I'm just going to leave that there. Creeper, don't worry, I won't take apart your head. I'll just put you on top. He is staying here. Okay, moving on to the next one. Okay, so when I turn the page, it looks like we got making the ender portal. Okay, I'll just go really quick for you guys. So it looks like we got this. I think this is the bottom part. And yes, I am correct. And now we've got that. There. Okay guys, if you want to build along with just your Lego pieces, this is it so far. This is the back, the front, and we could just keep on going. And now we need this orange piece right here. You could be building this with you not even knowing you have the pieces. So that's really good as well. This looks like a door. Just enter the orange door. I really like this. And oh, we got some see-through pieces. When I'm always trying to find see-through pieces in my Lego bin, don't worry, I don't put my Lego in the bin. Only if they're broken, which I did need to break some Lego the other day, and it was very painful. But I will not do it again. Now we got that there, like that, and then there we go. Let's just flip the page, and we got this piece right here, and then we got that. If you guys are enjoying this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. You don't have to, you could do it later. And if you already have, then good for you. But, hold up. Look at this. What are these eyes of Ender? A square? Well, I guess. What are these then? Anyway, if you want to go get the OG ticket, you need to be a subscriber in my first 30th subscribers. There's 27 so far while I'm doing this video, so you better hurry up if you want to be a part of the OG channel. Okay, so we just need to connect these right there, like that. So it should look like that for now. Then we got these two more see-through pieces at the bottom here. So it should look like this, blurry. It should look like this. And so far, I like the set. It's just really cool. Now we're doing this part. Okay. You could just copy that. You could pause the video. Okay, now turn. Then we get another one of these. Sorry about that, that's my dog. Let me go shut the door. Doodle. Sorry, I just teleported to shut the door. Anyway, let's keep on building. So we got that so far. Then you just need to connect that, and then we get this there, there, and then we need to stick the eyes of Ender onto all of them. If you enjoyed this video, then I'm happy to make more unboxing videos. And there we go. And now let's. Oh, these are what these are for. You need to like put them places. I'm just gonna put them random. Sorry about that. That's my dog barking. If you are afraid of dogs, you might not hear her. because I can hear her. Anyway, to finish all of that, and now remember this piece. Connect one of them there, one of them there, and then we now got a part of the Nether portal. Now we just need to get these two pieces, pop them there, and pop this one there. So they're like little legs, like this. Anyway, now all we need to do is connect. There we go, it should look like this so far. Moving on. Oh yeah, so this can just tell you could bend it back like that. I think you do that when it's broken and then you light it. It's broken, light, broken, light. So there's some cool play features in there. Now we just need to open bag number 2. I'm gonna keep the extras and put them. Where's this going? Oh yeah, it also comes with a bow for let's just call him. He looks like a Tom. Yeah, Cool Tom. Yeah, Cool Tom comes with a bow and arrow as well. So let's just move this to the side. Sorry, Mr. Creeper. There you go. And let's move on to bag 2. Just gonna go teleport. I'm back. Back here in the room. This is just the end portal frame. Sorry, I just dropped a few pieces. There we go. The ender portal frame. Okay, the end portal frame. Okay, now I missed a few stages. Okay, there. Now you see these pieces. We're going to do a lot of invisible stuff to make it look like it's floating. So do that 2 times. I'm just going to need to do that 2 times. Okay, now we got to them. We need to grab this right here and place them. We need to flap that so you guys can see. And place them like this. See that? And then just do that on the other side. Don't forget the big bits are facing the outside. And now it's that. Next we need to make the stairs. This bit right there. It goes there like that. I have to say this does look kind of ugly for a staircase. Well, I guess it is natural terrain. And then, see this there? Oh, hold up. Put it on the wrong way. Sorry. So, it should now look like this. And pop it there. So, got a little staircase to the end portal. But I still need to do some more of the entering. So that's why I am going to do it right now. See that? We've got that. And then we need to add some hinge pieces. You see these little hinge pieces? If you don't know what hinge pieces are, they're bendable Lego bricks that go like that. So I'm just going to do it like that so that it looks like it has wings. Like that. Okay. Now I am going to just speed build. Okay. Okay, so far I've been liking this build, and if you think I'm pretty fast, thanks. I did build a pretty big Lego set in like a couple seconds. So there we go there. And we just need to fill it in with the green. Okay, this just looks like a fidget toy, like the ender worm. You can make a triangle with it. You can make it like a car. That does not look like a car. You can make letters with it. A B, wait, it's back. A B. A C for Corby Gamer. Subscribe. And you could, oh wait, I thought that would fit. Is it a necklace? Okay. I don't think he likes that. Now we just need to get a bunch of these and tile them over. Oh yeah, this is your time to go grab some popcorn. And maybe get your Lego ready to compare your Lego builds to this Lego one, to this official Lego set. And now we got that there, you know, we need the ends, the eyes of Ender. So now we just need to place these down. Oh yeah, if you play Minecraft like me, then you are a part, I've never mentioned this before, but that means you are a part of the Coal Minecraft Club. In the future I might have my own server which you can join, and I can meet my fans. You could talk and chat to me, you could talk to me, and when I'm famous it will probably just get all the houses, all the slot houses will probably be all gone, so I'll tell you when it's came out and when, you know, it's there, and I'll tell you the name. So now we've got the eyes of Ender in there, and the fun part, connecting it, I'm just gonna flap this so it's easier. It should look like, oh, these are really hard to get on. Okay, there we go. Oh my god, that's sick. Just look. Hold it. When you need to light the portal. Okay, this is a cool Lego build so far. Okay, that's the end of this one, so we don't need that anymore. And we can move on to this one. I'm gonna go get our bags, number 3, which we will be needing right now. Open bag number 3. Looks like we are building the Enderman. Okay. Let's pour. Let's add some room. Oh, some bits fell on the floor. Hold up. Wait, do you know what? I'll just grab it. I got it. Okay, so these, I got the Enderman head. I never got an Enderman before, and that means I never got the Enderman head. I keep on dropping stuff. Anyway, let's attach this to the Enderman body. This must have cost a lot of money for molding for Lego, but I like it when they spend money to get more money from me. Wait, when I think about that, they spend money to get more money. Yeah, I might do that in the future. Oh, and it looks like it comes with a little platform. This bit right here, and you just boom right there. I still need to do his arms. And then one stood, and then we got some flat ones. I like not speedrunning these Lego sets because I do. Hold up. I am really good at speedrunning Lego sets, but I just like to enjoy things like this. Anyway, so you see that there? Just need to connect them two arms, and there we go. We got our end, but I'm pretty sure it comes with some accessories. It looks like we're making a block. If you did not know, Endermen can steal blocks from the ground. So they're basically the only mob that can steal you or your blocks. So they could literally teleport into your secret bank. If you have any emeralds and diamonds, watch out because the Endermen might steal them. But I don't think that about Endermen. They can just do it. So now we got it like that. We could on. There's very long arms. And then put this right here. I've saw some YouTubers use the Enderman to make the world's tallest minifigure without repeating any parts. I might be able to beat the world record of that. So, do you know them smart minifigures? I could just use them because I could use the smart legs, because then, you know, they're different pieces. Anyway, let's carry on. And there we go, we got our engine. And now we got these pieces. And we're making some of the nether. Nice, I like it. And that goes there. Okay, flip the page. Okay, now it looks like we are making one of the old-fashioned ore bricks, which I love the design. It just makes the blocks feel alive than just a blue block for a diamond. But diamond blocks are a different thing than diamond ores, because diamond blocks are made out of separate diamonds. A diamond ore can give you only a little bit of diamonds, or maybe just one, or none at all if you have a wooden pickaxe, you know. And now got that right there, which we can connect on, and there we go. We got a little terrain and we can take it off. Okay, let's move on. You can, I think this video will be speed because I'm not that fast of making stuff, making it fast. Anyway. All I'm really good at is using my imagination to build. Well, I'm also good at building stuff. It's really fast. But anyway, let's keep on going. Okay, I've got this block right here. And place it on here. And then we got, voila, 2 terrains. Which one do you like better? Nether or end? I'm going with the end. And this one kind of reminds me of the creaking from the Pale Garden. If you want me to do that one next, don't forget to like and subscribe. I would have said comments, but my comments aren't open. Maybe in the future. Okay, I think you know because I'm a kid. Anyway, now we've got that, we can just open bag number 4. So I'm just going to put these over there. So you know what, Enderman, you can stay. Goodbye. You goodbye. Hold up. There's a purple block. Okay. Let's open bag number 4. Where's my bag number 4? Oh no. Sorry about the wait. Okay, got bag number 4, and it looks like we're building the baby goblin. Okay. Oh, looks like we're building another portal. Guess what it is? Yeah, it's the Nether one. I get mixed up. Anyway, we're making the baby hoglin or piglin. No, hoglin. Yeah. So we don't need to talk about that anymore. Anyway, if you like this video, then you can like it. That's what the like button is for. And I can't find the piece. No, I hate it when this happens. It's either gone missing or it's just not there at all. Guys, there might be something wrong. I did not take this out. I'm so confused, guys. Give me a second. Oh no. I know what that means. Oh, I found it. We don't need to destroy any of the builds, okay? We don't need to destroy that, okay? There we go. And now let's just carry on building. Listen. Oh wait, that was silence. Wait. Listen. Oh, you heard that? Let's do it again. Hold up. Why am I losing pieces? Sorry guys. I am Steve. Okay, guys, I'm looking for the extra one of these pieces, and I can't. So, you know what? I'm just going to borrow a piece. Anyway, let's grab my other piece. The next. Where are they? Why am I losing all these pieces? Am I losing my mind? Am I? Why? It's not there. Oh my god. It was under the book. Sorry. All my missing pieces were under the book. I'm so sorry. Anyway, just need to clip that off. So, and it looks like we are doing the whole ground. That kind of looks like a cursed village just to me. If you don't know what the old Lego Hoglin look like. You'll just be glad that they changed it. It looked horrible. I might just pop it on the screen. Just right here. See it? Anyway. I wish I could do more videos, but because I don't have an editor, I have to edit them, do the thumbnails and everything else. Anyway, let's just keep on building, because I enjoy building. It's very fun. Oh yeah guys, this is the last day before school. I know it's the weekend and everyone's sad. It might not be the weekend for you, the end of the day for the weekend for you. It might be like some holiday for you. It might be you're at home, or I'm at home. Anyway, now, I've done it the wrong way. Ow, my finger. Why doesn't this come with a brick separator? I'm so angry. There we go. There we go. Hold up. Oh yeah. Yes, that is it. Okay guys, don't worry, this will get faster. Okay, there it is. Guys, there's a few technical difficulties. Okay, guys, there it is, the baby Hoglin. He could move his head. Just stay. Goodbye. And he's pretty cool. Anyway, next build. You know what it is. Another portal. Okay. It looks like I need to connect this. Oh. Okay guys, now we got this done right here. I just needed to skip because it was taking way too long because I kept on forgetting. I kept on losing the pieces. So we're just making the portal frame. Well, that's the portal frame. We're just making the actual portal pieces. And looks like next we got. What are they? Again? Oh yeah. Okay. So now it looks like I'm missing another piece. Okay. It's on the floor. No, I guess I just have to keep on searching. Okay guys, let's just work on one for now. And it looks like that. And then that. I really do think this Lego set is very confusing. And hey, I found the piece. And now, baby Hoglin has been was there for ages, and he's afraid of heights. I didn't know that. Anyway, let's just pop this on and move to the next one. Okay, so it looks like now we could just put some smooth tiles on and make it feel more alive. Okay, so now we got that in there. pieces. Are you going to do this one? I think that was kind of quiet, but it has been complete. Don't need this anymore. Yeah, sure. Who's on the stairs? That's great. Okay, let's put these all together. And portal. Never portal. A dude he needs to hold his bow and arrow, of course. Anyway, guys, this Lego set is definitely worth it. I'll recommend pouring your Lego pieces into a bowl so you don't lose them like I did. And let's just keep on putting them together. And so far, the set is amazing, and lots of cool play features like lighting the portal and lighting the portal again, and your bendable arms. It's fun to play around with. No, features. You can make your own story, or you could get your own character, like a actual Lego character, and maybe try and beat the world of Minecraft. Dude, maybe I should do that for another video. Stop mission Lego. Anyway, let's just keep on placing these down. I really love this Lego set. I definitely recommend it for people who play Minecraft. For people who like not too many but a few play features, and if you want to see another unboxing video, don't forget to like and subscribe. But I need to talk about all of these characters first before I leave. So we got a baby Hoglin, way better than the old one. Show it on screen again. Right here. Now, he uses a tunnel piece, like a tiny tunnel piece. Don't know what they're called, but he got this cool movable head that he could bonk stuff with, like the creeper, to make him explode. Sorry. Okay. I think, yeah. So I really like this, and as you can see, he has white eyes. Oh no, he isn't. Is he working for Herobrine? Maybe let's just light the portal. How about let's just break the portal, put him in the lava, good boy. But in together, I really like this Piglin, and it's nice to add to my animal collection. Oh, sorry, you hate heights. Now we have our Enderman. Just not called Enderman. So he got his nice Enderman head, very likely. Enderman likely. He was holding his block, and he got his legs and his little platform. I don't really like this. I like the design, but it's just really plain, and maybe you could, make him do some more, like, maybe you could give him another modded head that, like, from the Minecraft movie again, or in the actual game. Anyway, I like this, but let's send him to let's just leave him here. Anyway, next we got our minifigure, and yeah.
Cool
Tom is here. He got his nice bow and arrow and his fire resistance. I really like these, but I would like to change that. Maybe the sunglasses can be removable, so I can put them on some other minifigures. But you see, he got that potion there, and he got his arrow there. Mr. Creeper, okay. And as you can see here, the Endermen still can't fit, which is really crazy. Anyway, so thank you, Mouse. Now, yeah, I like this guy, and let's put him near the end Nether portal, which I love. You could just go through it, and you could make your own world. I really like this. That's the one thing I hate. The crying obsidian. Why? Why do you use crying obsidian to make the? It's just useless. Anyway, moving on to our next one, we got our two terrains. I still like the end better. And anyway, there's nothing else to see here. And now we got to the portal to the never-ending store. Wait, no, I think that's copyright. Please don't copyright this video. Please. Goodbye. I just said never-ending story. It's definitely not a strong song. Probably just be quiet, okay? Okay, and oh wait, I just forgot you to cut off. It's kind of tall or whatever, but how about you jump inside of me? No. Anyway, I really like this build, and so a few things you can improve is make the dank thing. Make the dank underpass be like a circle. Because in the game it's pixelated circle, and I like pixelated circle.